Welcome to Digital Wisdom. My name is Bobit Thomas. Today I'm talking about Medium.com. Medium.com is the platform for content writers. If you wish to tell some stories or articles about any subject, so Medium.com presents an opportunity for you to reach new audience with your content. Then it's a great platform for the publishers. To register the medium.com, you can register with your email ID or any social media links, maybe like Facebook or Google. So it's very easy to register there. Then you can find different topics. So you can find out different subjects there. So there is a bookmark, there is option to bookmark stories. You can follow the writers, something like that. So if you're a writer, then there is a link in bottom corner. There is a write options there. Then there is a start writing. You can add content related to your subject. Why I always refer to Medium for the publishers or the business people is like that. When you write quality content in Medium blogs, it's always get listed in Google search. So and the quality, it will generate a quality backlink to your websites. There is a membership in medium.com. It's like $5 per month or $50 per year. Using the membership, you can unlimited access to every story. So also Medium give opportunity to earn money from your writing. Like, so it's about the partner program, medium.com partner program. You can sign up with the medium.com partner program. Then it's like something like that. Join the partner program, craft your story, publish with the meter my story box checked, and the money when the Medium members spend time reading your work and get paid monthly. So this is the way. If you are a serious publisher, then you can opportunity to the get the money in a monthly basis, or you can share your stories to the world. Or you are a business person, or if you are running a digital marketing agency, I always recommend to publish quality blogs for your clients in the medium.com. And you can there is an option to give you the backlink to their websites. So it's always good to get in search. Thank you for watching videos.